mistake. I wasn't sure, or I still am not sure if I'm supposed to make this video or not. I don't know. I can start with a question that I got from a long-time subscriber. He asked me how I became ambassador for fjällräven. I wouldn't describe it as hard work, but it's also hard work. But what I mean by that is this is something that I enjoy to do. This is something that I look forward to doing. That's why I don't consider it working. I enjoy spending time in the outdoors, obviously. I enjoy filming, editing. I like the whole process of making things. And I'm pretty good at failing. I've done that a lot. And I'm also sort of intrigued by it. I'm not scared of it, because that's where you learn, even though sometimes it might really hurt, but when you at the end you get it right and then it works and it clicks, that's the moment that you're looking for. So that's something that I enjoy, and I think I hope that it shows in the videos. I started thinking, like, what do I want from my life and the things that I want to achieve, and one of those goals is to be able to spend more time outdoors where I feel comfortable, where I feel humbled, and where I feel good. And I thought to myself, like, how can I do that? And it's definitely by doing the whole YouTube thing, even though that doesn't give you any sort of amount of money that you can possibly survive on. Gotta pause now. When people came and I had to forfeit the campfire, I felt bad for them. So yeah, I left. The point, or the sort of goal with this channel, is not to glorify any brand. It's more to be sort of the meeting point between us, the users, and the companies themselves, where, I mean, I just show you the features and the specs and whatnot, and then how I use the different type of equipment in the different adventures and so on. But I mean, I think you guys are big enough and smart enough to know if that's something for you or if it's not, and hopefully my videos can help you decide with the things that I'm showing you. But then also, if you have tried, or if you have used, or if you see something that you like or you maybe don't like, you're also able to drop those thoughts in the comments, and that's really what I'm after. I think if we can have a good brand, we're able to make it great with all the feedback that we can provide and that we can give as users. So I think that's the sort of main goal, or secondary, primary goal with the channel, to be that meeting point. And then, yeah, of course, to go out, share the adventures, share experiences, have a good time. I have met some of you guys that are watching this. It's really cool, and I'm looking forward to more of those sorts of meetings. And that gives me so much back. It's because I'm often told that this is not real, and this is just internet, and yeah, in one way it is. But then there are people behind the keyboards, and I think it's cool. I think it's cool to have this sort of connection, even though I'm just in the middle of nowhere now talking to a camera like some sort of maniac. It still reaches somebody at the other end and has an impact, and I think that's a pretty cool thing. Even if you're my neighbor or across the world, we're still able to have that sort of connection. So I think that's pretty cool, and that's also one of the sort of kickbacks that you get from doing this. Yeah, not a very well-planned video. Not when I hit record, I did not know really what I was going to say. We will be going on a overnighter in the beginning of November. We're gonna try some pretty interesting food that I want to share with you guys. Also a friend subscriber who sent that to me, so we're gonna try that, and you guys are gonna get some discount when you order from him. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. I have no idea what all the stuff is, but yeah, it's gonna be a good time, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. So I'll catch you guys next week with hopefully a better planned video. Yeah, subscribe if you're, I don't know, I don't know. If you're watching this far, you probably already have subscribed, and I guess I'm just thankful at this point. Yeah, I don't know, I guess it's just like this sometimes. The steak was good. The steak was really good. Missed that. There is a huge difference between frying a steak and making a steak on the campfire. Yeah, really worth trying if you're into steaks. I know that not everyone's watching is, but yeah, it keeps you full in a completely different way, so it's pretty interesting. What else? Yeah, the review of the Singy 48 is coming. I really like the adaptability of this backpack, so hopefully I'm able to show that for you guys in a good way. Yeah, now I'm just rambling on, so I'm just gonna cut it here, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week with a better video. Be safe, take care, and yeah, stay tuned. Peace out.